Figma phone mockup. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for Figma. If you're new to Figma, sign up by clicking Get Started for free to create your account. After completing the registration process, navigate to the Templates and Tools menu located on the left sidebar and search for Phone Mockup in the search bar. Choose one template that appeals to you from the available options, such as 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 or similar designs. Click on your selected template and then click Open in Figma to launch it in the editor. Go to the Mockups menu on the left sidebar to explore the available mockup options and choose one that you like for your project. Read through the simple tutorial provided to understand how to properly use the mockups feature. Add the image that you want to use in your mockup design. Right-click on your chosen image and select Copy from the context menu. Navigate to and click on the screen layers of the mockup you want to use for your design. Right-click on the screen area and paste your copied image there. Finally, adjust the scale and position of your image to fit perfectly within the mockup frame.